Alrence, a licensed real estate sales agent in New York City. So this is one of my listings and it's right on a dorm elevator at Park Avenue. The great thing that I like about this apartment is the location because you're right in between of 34th and 33rd. And also there's a 6 subway across the apartment, so it's very convenient. There's Equinox, New York Sports Club across the street. There's Trader Joe's on 32nd and 3rd, and there's Target at 32nd and 2nd. The good thing about Midtown is that you're close by everything and you can easily go to downtown. A subway going to downtown, depending on what location would you like to be in, will be like less than 10 minutes. And if you're driving, it will be around 10 to 15 minutes also, or like maybe 5 to 8 if there's no traffic at all. And if you want to go uptown, it's very easy too. It's like another 15 minutes or like 10-minute subway. And also if you want to go to the west side, because we're now located in Midtown East, and if you wanted to go to Midtown West, it's gonna be like around 15-minute drive also. So this location is pretty center. That's why I love it. So now, welcome to the living room. As you can see, this apartment is pretty spacious. There's plenty of room for you to play around if you want to design the apartment. Your living room over here, desk over there if you're working from home, and you can easily mount the TV over the wall here. So it's pretty good space. So guys, we're now walking at the living room, and if you look at this view, it's beautiful. And another thing that I like about this building that I have is that look at this architecture. This is a pre-war building that is really well maintained and has been renovated over the years. And this building also has been owned by the people who owned Grand Central before. This was a pre-war hotel. I really like the space and I would personally live here. So this will be the closet space. So as you can see, there's a lot of partitions over here, which is great. It's easy for you to organize your stuff. Rather than having a closet that's just plain open, it's harder. So me personally, I will do all my dresses over here, like my coats over here, and then I'll put another partition over here for my t-shirts, for my blouses. It really just depends on you, but what I like about this one is that it has a partition and it's not just your plain closet, and it's a pretty good space for you to play around, especially if you're in New York City. It's hard to find a good closet space here. So let us see the bedroom itself.
So guys, this is the bedroom. It can fit a queen size bed. It will be very bright because it has a window facing the streets. It's a really good space for a New York City bedroom.
So guys, this is a double pane window, meaning it's super thick. And even if it's noisy outside, because it's thick, it will block the noise. A lot of our clients personally would love to have a double pane window just because in New York City there's a lot of ambulance, fire trucks. So having a double pane window really helps if you want it to be on a space that is quiet. And also another thing that I love about this apartment is that it's in the middle of Park Avenue, but it's very quiet. So if I'm not talking right now, you see how quiet it is. See, it's very quiet.
So guys, I'm now walking into the hallway of the apartment. There's a small walkway over here, and then that's the bathroom, and this will be the small walkway for the closets.
So guys, another closet space. This is just amazing, right? Because you have a lot of place to put your stuff in. So if you're sharing the apartment with your partner or like with a roommate, you don't need to fight for closet space because you have plenty over here. One for you and one for your partner. One for you and one for your roommate.
So this is a pretty standard New York City bathroom with the tub on it, and the design will be a classic older style because, as what I've said, this was a hotel before, but it adds charm to the bathroom.
So guys, this is the kitchen and it is a great addition to the apartment. Everything is renovated from the fridge to the counter. So all the details, the landlord really thought about it, and I'm very happy because I'm representing this unit. So as you can see, we got gas burners over here, which is very rare to find, and I personally would love to have a gas burner because I love to cook. And there's a window over here, so if you're cooking, the smell won't go inside the apartment. You can open this window and the smell will go outside instead of it circulating around the apartment. And we also have this phone over here. If you have deliveries from downstairs, the doorman will call you first before they let the people go up to your apartment. And with your permission, of course. And then look at this fridge. It's very new, it's renovated, it's full size. Where can you get that in Manhattan? Plus, dishwasher, it's amazing. Not all apartments in New York City has a dishwasher. So this is one of our units that has it, and it's very, very cool.
And that's the end of my tour. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, or if you have any concerns about your apartment search, and I'd be happy to help. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, heat and hot water is included in the rent. You just pay for gas, electric, and Wi-Fi, which is pretty standard here in New York City.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!